Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika and I'm going to share my assessment for the sprint retrospective for the project Learning and Management Systems. This sprint is the first sprint and it started on 1st August 2020 and it ended on 30th August 2020. Our client is Ashish Rana Magar and the supervisor is Miss Sadia Aziz. Now talking about my team. Our team leader is Sudeep Rai, and we are three members in the team. And the third member we have is Jasprit Kaur. And as you know, Sudeep Rai is the team leader, and I'm the third one. Jasprit Kaur is handling the testing part, whereas Sudeep is handling backend development. I'm handling the project and development. Now comes the team contribution. You can see the use case diagram on the screen, and this use case diagram is for the login and registration for teacher and student. Now comes the sequence diagram for the student only. You can see there is login screen, dashboard, student module, student registration form, and how it goes and how it works. Next is the communication proof between the team members and the supervisor and the client. These are the emails that can give the evidence of the proof. This is also one email screenshot that I have. Now comes the individual component. I have spent an approximate time of 30 hours in this project, as there were supervisor meetings that lasted from 1 hour to like 3 hours, and weekly it lasted on weekly basis. It were held on weekly basis, and moreover we had some client meetings which I have shown the screenshots as well. Moreover, there was individual time that we spent, and there were discussions about how we will go through this project and how we will accomplish the task that was given to us. And Sudeep played an excellent role as he guided us whenever we needed him. Now comes the login page. It shows there is an email option. A student, an admin, or teacher can I enter their email and password that is given by the university, or like whatever education system that is for, and then they can go for sign in. And next comes the dashboard. As you can see the dashboard, it looks quite colorful and there are many modules in it. There are upcoming events, unread messages, teachers, students. There is a lot of items that we have tried to add in. Now talking about the past modules that I have worked on, those are the user registration module. It is the enrollment manager, in which there are two options. One is the list of an enrollment, and other is the enrolled students. In the list of in the list of the enrollment manager, one can create the list and one can see the list. There are two options. And now comes the class manager. It is the events module. Like, class manager handles what event is going to take place. We can the admin can arrange the events according to the availability of the teacher, and the timing is can be seen by the students. Now, if I talk about the overall experience, it has been quite a great experience with the supervisor, and our client is also quite satisfied with our work. Moreover, our team is also doing an excellent work. There is quite mutual understanding, and we are having a good communication, and we are getting a lot of things to learn and enhance our skills. Overall, it was a great experience for Sprint 1, and hope it goes well till the end and we come out with a very good project. Thank you.